asparagus and bacon soup. So yeah, we're gonna start by adding some olive oil into an instant pot. We think that it's heating up, but it's not heating up yet. We need to start cooking the bacon. We don't know when it's gonna start heating up. Oh, time lapse. Yep, it's ready to go. We're gonna put the bacon in. We're gonna put the bacon. We're gonna put the bacon in. Now we're gonna cook the bacon. You want to cook it through, but not overcook it. Don't burn yourself and splatter with blah blah blah. Not great. Onions and garlic go in right now. You're gonna sweat those down, cook them off for a little bit, probably about 5 to 7 minutes. Ends up going by here. That's a nice color. There's the asparagus. There's good solid, like about 3 cups of asparagus. Any kind of broth you want. That's chicken broth. I've started doing it with veggie broth now, and it's delicious stuff. You want to bring it up to a boil before you start to pressurize it. So you wait until it's boiling and boil soon. There you go. Now you're going to set it on pressure, high pressure, for 5 minutes. Remember, it takes a while to pressurize, and I can't, I'm pretty sure there's a time lapse on this. Because, yeah, I'm pretty sure this took about 45 minutes. But, there we go. It's already pressurized. It's now waiting. We're doing a natural release. And once the natural release is done, that's where we gotta get to blending. I'll let you know when it happens. Didn't happen in 20 minutes. That is my kitchen assistant. There we go. That looks delicious. Now you're going to take any kind of a hand blender that you got and just puree the ever-loving Jesus out of this. You want to make it as smooth as you possibly can. But every lump, strand, bump, everything, so hit it all. Look at that motion. It's almost like I'm a professional. No, we're checking. It's still not done. Still going. We're going. And once this finishes, this is where you want to actually taste it a little bit. Season it. Blend it back up. Taste it. And then figure out where you want to go from there. You can see there's a lot of work involved in making sure that it is smooth. But now, now we're going to season it, stir it up. Add some salt. There's some black pepper. Stir it up. We're going to add the cream. Eventually, we're going to add the cream. There's the cream. That's about 1 cup of cream. Seasoning to taste, obviously. I'm sure there will be numbers behind a lot of these pictures. Well, that looks pretty good. Now, I know I like to over season, so I'm gonna probably just taste that. Re-season a little bit more, because I really like black pepper and salt super fine. I'm gonna do that. I'm going to taste it here, and once it's heated all the way through, it's good to just serve. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do, because this is good.